solve the possible ways to draw a path in a 5x5 diamond grid. Each path starts at the bottom of the grid and ends at the top, always moving 1 unit northeast or northwest. She computes the area of the region between each path and the right side of the grid. 2 examples are shown in the figure below. What is the sum of the areas determined by all the passable paths? So she can move 5 units northeast and then 5 units northwest. And that makes a total of 10 steps. So we can do 10 factorial C5 factorial. So that's the same thing as 10 factorial over 5 factorial times 5 factorial. And that gives us, that's 10 factorial. And that gives us 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 5 factorial. This can cancel out with these numbers, and this is 2, 2, 2. And these two can cancel out. So it's 2 times 2 times 9 times 8. Well, that's 4. This is 7, not 8. So 9 times 7 is 63. 63 times 4 is 252. Let me just erase all this. And so our number is 252 now. And let me show you the next steps. So remember that if we cut this one in half, it's going to be symmetrical. So if this side, I'm just going to put the number down. So if this side, it looks like this right now, right? But it can eventually look something like this. And the half of the shaded blocks move on to the other side, and that side will be shaded, and this part will be shaded. So we have to divide our number by 2, since both of the blocks can be shaded. So if this part is shaded right now, then if I swap it around, this part will be shaded, because this is symmetrical. If a shape would be like something like this, then there's no lines of symmetry in this. But in these pictures, there is symmetry. So we're gonna divide it by 2. And we also have to times 25 because of this. Remember, it's a 5x5 diamond shaped grid. So we get 252 times 25 by 2. So we can just divide this by 2. And that would give us 146. Yeah, 126. 126 times 25, if we solve it, it would give us 3,150. Therefore, our answer is B, 3,150. There are 250 possible ways, but if we add each of the shaded blocks, it gives us 3,150. We can't draw each one of those paths. It would take us a really long time. And if we miss one path, then it would just we would get that problem wrong. So there has to be a simpler way to solve this problem. And our answer is B.